Madam Lysa Long. First time mo dito, madam?
No,
Oh, this is your second time.
this is my second time.
Oh.
My first time was with Mary.
Oh, with Ate Mary. They have very good food in here. They have good food in here, and it's very cheap too. So, are you ready for the ramen?
Yes,
Yes, I am.
I am ready. I'm ready to
Siba. Marunong ka ba mag-chopstick, madam?
No, how to use this?
How to use it? Okay, you open it.
Open it.
Uh-huh. You open it, and then you
Okay.
crack it.
Break
Yep,
it.
break it, yes. And then, see, you know how to handle it, see? So you just like trying to twist it.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. You ready then?
Okay.
Yeah, here you go. Okay. Madam, magkano yung sing-sing?
7K.
Wow.
Pwede nang pagsangla.
Pwede na kayong manghiram ng pera. Hiraman na naman ng pera.
Kaya,
Now you're gonna try your chopstick.
first time.
Oh, how do you try your chopstick?
Like this one.
Yay! Hold on. There you go. Good. Oh! Sige, kayanin mo. Kayanin mo. Ayan. Hala, baka mahulog. Yeah. madam. Uwi na tayo.
Thank you for the treat.
Thank you for the treat. Halika na, uwi na kami. Uwi na. Uwi ka na. La Cochera. La Cocherang Lysa Long. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. For more amazing videos, click the like, share, and subscribe button. Always remember, be safe, live your life because you are amazing and beautiful. Love ya. Mwah.